you out, Kayla.
Okay. Well, Gabby, watch. Watch what I showed Gabby. Gabby. ¿Cómo estás, Gabby? Whoa. Shh. Don't. If you get him mad, he's really not going to come off. Come. Come. Come on. Perekito.
You have to get closer than that.
I knew it! Anyway, I wanted to show you that I taught him, and he was starting to love me. Hang on, Chelsea. Starting to love me. And I would start going, and my neck would go up, and then his neck, he would be right here next to my ear, and he would also go, and his neck, not entirely in sync.
You know how to be family.
Hey.
Don't bite me. Don't bite me. I don't trust them at all.
Chelsea,
Oh my
Chelsea,
gosh,
just leave him alone.
Stop biting.